Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to save content from the Photos application to your OneDrive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application, which is built into the Mac computer, as well as OneDrive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the Photos application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's navigate within our library. Locate a video as well as an image. I see both on screen. So highlight both, go to File, and then go to Export to Items, and then leave everything the way it is in terms of photo quality and video quality. Let's now click on Export directly to the desktop. Click on Export. So that's now being exported. As you can see on top, that's now exported directly to the desktop. Let's now minimize photos for the moment. There we have the image as well as the video on screen. We can now quit both of them. Now let's go over to the dock, go to the Find application, navigate within OneDrive for Computer Science Videos. We have a folder that's called Photos 2024 that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this, highlight the content, Command C to copy, and then go within the Photos 2024 folder. Right click, paste to items. Wait for that to synchronize to the cloud within OneDrive. Once that's done, we will then move on to the next part of the tutorial. The image has been synchronized, and now the video has also been synchronized. Minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go over to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to, once that is loaded, office.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, navigate to OneDrive. Let's go to My Files. Then we have that Photos 2024 folder that now contains the image, which we have clicked on, and then the video that opens up in SharePoint. And there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way around to the dock, go back to Finder, quit Finder, go all the way around to the dock again, go back to Photos, quit Photos. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.